15 years old. I live in Canada, because Canada's epic. And I am Jacksepticeye's biggest fan. No shit, honestly. If I could, I'd give him a shout out in every video that I ever make. Even though there's no point in it because nobody ever watches these videos, but I'm just gonna randomly do shit, so let's see this. What the fuck? I hate it when chinchillas eat the universe. When Voldemort hides in my turban, Voldemort uses my shampoo, Voldemort steals my shampoo. I hate it when Hitler steals my seat. Wow. I hate it when I'm studying in a velociraptor. I hate it when I walk outside. Oh, it's pretty straightforward. I hate it when flies were up there. What? Did they masturbate? I hate it when dinosaurs throw bananas at me. I hate it when doctors touch my balls. I don't have balls, so I can't exactly hate that. I hate it when a giraffe kicks you in the ball. I hate it when a giraffe kicks me in the balls. Yeah, don't have balls, so I don't know what it feels like. I hate it when nobody shares. I hate it when nobody finds. I hate it when nobody listens to me. Oh, believe me, I know all about nobody listening to me. Okay. I hate it when zombies cheat. Wow. Oh, wow. Shit just got real. A hamster ate the universe, man. Okay, so I am the life. Yeah. So, this is a really stupid video, and